Good day, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending the area or location where you are getting our video. Oh, one no can about Kepu TV. Yes, and today was Sunday, the 20th day of July, 2025. Original, Onodugo, Adi Bema, original Konesha, Okwa n'oge ya, Yoda. Maka na onye gwakwa ma mụọ na-ekwu ekwu na afere ọ na-asụ okpokpo bekee ma nke dị correct ma nke na-adị correct. Na the day will come, na there will be a day when so many, not only the popular roles in ama but other adjoining roles inside, and they will all be remembered and also fixed properly, make them to be motorable. I won't believe it. Maybe you believe no game in our time. But today is happening, and also we are here to testify on that very fact. So, I know Elizabeth Avenue. These are many years ago in the early 70s. Ogendocha bina aba dominate aba kuro yele ha ego ha. This is one of the roads had dominated here way behind which are their buildings. Elizabeth Avenue behind their quarters. Yes. Yeah, no na banner to local government. Almost a connection to both my but my Oran Street. Yes. But they were close, so terminated an offense in the Abba Sports Club. Came by and Dutch Beach it had been like this. Dịka kwụpụrụ ya n'ọkụ completely. Megidekwa amakwa moto our amiable governor though agama dey surprised because o kwuru ekwu na not only na ọ bụrụ ebe imezisi ụzọ ndị nke na-adịghị mma mana governance will a continuum before ma asụkwa bekee ma na-aga ọ ga-adịkwa mmadụ imedere anyị aka na share button and also give us a thumb up as well as no evidence, maybe one of the assembled not here to be able to understand what we mean by layer number 16 Elizabeth Avenue across CPM Aba because the other time we were in the YouTube sending a notification on an 11% out of the need to watch our video subscribe or the one so small or dig encouraging show me what we've been through, the experience, the harsh weather condition of the country and so many other things, logistic that we always imbibe. Even when here now, oh na decide that I'm going to room whether they like it or not. Oh yeah, only here now come here just choose the room now me because mi wonye Abia, mi wonye Imo, mi wonye Ebonyi, mi wonye Enugu, but you all need input interest in Aba. Only people na Aba. You are all welcome to our channel, and also any support of league it must not be monetarily. Any support of league or one of this ministry it will be appreciated. As little as even liking our video and also sharing, giving us a thumb up, asking your question. Most times all my work are based on questions the people drop or requests people drop or now react visit here at so Eba now Elizabeth Avenue. Elizabeth Town with so many big houses and the lands of Royalty International Christian School also here, and also Eyimba FM. No, here, yeah, somewhere here. This is a road leading to Oran Street. They don't Eyimba FM. Because you couldn't. Came by him, and about said that Butat, Aba, or you can know there. But even the more popular, so today, His Excellency and also a Commissioner for Works, Engineer Domotin Chiroti, a member necessary just to make sure that all this area are reclaimed, yes, to be fully reclaimed. So that is why you are seeing whatever you are seeing right now, the greenage. And today was Sunday, 20th of July. We have our water and on Ihuaro back to back. na-epush ya. So on December, let me come around, not only coming to encourage them, but also show the world how it dey be, because five buildings through all this place. The big men who design who fence wall, eji ma fence ama more broken bottles, eji coat wey everywhere mama lines abịawala n'ike ihe abatago solid drainage system which dey connect back to along Aba Owerri road, ebe ndị a close to Aba North local government, ebe ndị a na-eregasịcha moto. So ihe abatawago, and ihe na-eme m encourage ihe m na-aga ụkwụ eshie m ike n'ala, because we have a leader na toilet nonsense. We have a leader who have make it so easier for investors and also improvement in security system, security architecture, mama sotara and so many other things. Who made it possible for it to be in place, and who have been also working assiduously to also make sure that changes, that development that we are all yearning for will really surely be achieved. Enwere ihe ọzọ m gara egosi unu ma ọ na mmiri iru this house has been abandoned. Yes, I want them to evidence, maybe say not the abandoned. Ile anya ị ga-ahụ na the fence. Let me zoom if I can be able to. Ile anya na the fence, you will be able to see this tree na ugbo na and only they just cut it not long ago. No one fence to onwe onye ka ọtụrụ ya, onwe onye metara ya aga. Do you know why? These are people that some of the people that left Aba all ran away many years ago because of insecurity, because of kidnapping, because of one challenge or the other. But today, you can see that the lights, security have been achieved. Light is also speedily coming. Everyone is enjoying a steady lighting now this environment. You look here by my right, you also see another building abandoned. These are what we have been facing many years back. But today you need all those abandoned projects. The owners are speedily returning back to site, and we can name Hanishi. And don't want to governance. Good governance is never a rocket science. It's achievable when you select the best, or you put on people that can be able to be prudent and also meticulous in deciding their duty. Today you can see the both side drainages are all coming up. Today you can see that Aba is bouncing back greatly. Aba lively. Nightlife in Nugua improve. And on Elizabeth Avenue here in Aba because Aba North. Remember Aba Sat because Metawaya can share but no big game. I can read Akebe everywhere. It's now bouncing back to life. I can read Akebe. Ebola. The Ebola activated back to life. Being Ebola also, Apollo may have abandoned Bafusia. They are speedily reclaiming back and also renovating back their properties. So here we about terminated Elizabeth Avenue in Aba North local government. MPL drainage about Owerri Road, where it will be terminated, where it will corner back and also give way. When completed, you'll be very happy and also proud of the system. Coming up to one here, you aside the window to fit more. One of the investors, the better Aba from Omaya, they have been established everywhere at Tapawa. Aba Adwala very neat. Man, we came Aba say photo, second honor, Uyo, Marono na Lagos, honor na Enugu. You are head out here. Our leaders, they know back then they know how to plant flowers, planting trees, always beautify, always give you that green energy, always make the streets to be lively and also good. Not everywhere. So we also applauding His Excellency Dr. Leshoma Roti when we get a budget of planting of trees. We can then allow the key. Aja like here. Lay the roads today, I said, I suppose everything the final laps before I call away a day. Unless we even do also, and we keep visit. discipline with all those naga. But for now, I am impressed, I am happy, I am excited, I am overwhelmed. Yes, obi jupụta obi nzuzu izu unu ihe ọma na-eme na Abia State. Today I am Aba on image now reporter here. You know this time can be also be flying to other areas, other communities, other local governments, and I do one thing or the other. Ebe be able to now Usioma and the Usioma one around. His Excellency Dr. Lesoma Oti, OFR, okay, better share, and all the capable image there. So stay tuned and also follow us on all social media platforms for more gist and also more reports. You are watching Kebu Kebu TV. I love you all. Oh, to